Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts. Now I'm going to catch you up on my recent journaling. Grab a cup of something strong. Booze, coffee, I don't know what your poison is. But we've got a lot to catch up on, so you're going to need to moisten your mouth. Ew. So I'm just giving you a quick flip through of like last week, all of that journaling that I did, but I didn't share with you. I had filmed it and edited it, but I just never got around to telling you about it. I was too busy sleeping and eating fruit snacks in a depressive lump. It was busy times. So now we are up to last Friday. Today is Tuesday. And I'm telling you about Friday the 20th. So I'm finally catching up with my life here. I've crawled out of the mound of fruit snack wrappers and I'm trying to move forward. It's all we can do, 1 foot at a time. So Friday, we completed 1 full week of online learning, and for better or worse, it's done. So we're just gonna mark it in the books and move on. I mean, we've got probably months ahead of us, of this. So, small victories. But anyways, Friday, I put in the offending fruit snack wrapper. That was one of about 50. If you guys are new to my channel, when I struggle, I retreat to my bedroom and I eat fruit snacks and lay in bed and watch YouTube. Like mostly grizzly bear videos and great white shark and Sasquatch. I don't know, you guys. It's just what I do. It's just what I do. Sometimes planner videos. So yeah, I crawled out and celebrated the small victory. We made it through 1 week. So a lot of this was collage. Vanessa sent me some amazing collage images from some HR magazines from her work that she was going through, and they are incredible, and I have used them so much this last week. They're so good. And she is lucky to have those magazines because, you're going to keep seeing the images and you're going to be like, oh my God, Vanessa, I want those. And I get it. I totally get it because they're really good. Let's see. I'm just adding color because, it wasn't busy enough yet. So Friday was a wash. The kids did their school and I was like, guys, I'm tired. I'm going to go lay down. And they're like, okay. I was like, just do your stuff. They must have known that I just didn't have it in me because they did not bother me and I slept a lot. Yeah. Not my finest hour, but it happens to the best of us. On Saturday, I did put the big girl panties on and thought, we are going to get some holiday festive spirit up in this bitch. So I drug the tree out of the basement and we decorated it. We put up Christmas. And it did help. I loved it. And the kids love it. So, we always put up Christmas before Thanksgiving because we're just those people. I know. But I don't know. It's just 2020. You need all the joy you can get. And if that is my Christmas tree and our stockings before Thanksgiving, I don't care. I really don't care. So I am using a ton of American Crafts stickers from the seasonal sticker book, some stickers from the everyday life. A lot of these little silly ones are from Amazon or they were sent to me, and they are like Korean and Japanese journaling stickers, and they're incredible. And then I printed out pictures on my HP Sprocket of the kids putting ornaments on the tree, Michael putting on the star, almost falling off the chair, and then just more hearts. So I don't know, you guys, sometimes when I am struggling and in a mood, it's hard for me to journal and I go just sticker crazy, and that's fine. I tell the story through stickers and the mood, and I don't know if that's what works for you, then that's fine. I don't really care if it's not real art. I think we all just need to go easy on ourselves and do what we enjoy. So it's a lot of stickers, and that's a-okay. My daughter's best friend Ari had her 9th birthday party on Zoom, and her mom, they planned a pandemonium pandemic party because she loves pandas. And so they dropped off a little kit with like games and stuff on our doorstep. And then there was like a panda cupcake in there. And so they had a little game, and oh, it was so cute. Her mom is so creative. If you need tips on how to plan cool things in this age of Zoom, like, oh man, my friend Susie, she is the bomb. Like, she does it for our brownie troop. She does it for school. She does it for, kids. These little kits, they're a hit. They are a super big hit. And let's see, I'm rambling so much. These stickers came from an Amazon toy catalog, and I put those in there. And then I was flipping through my Antiquarian sticker book, also on Amazon. I can link that for you. And I found this really creepy baby person on a cushion. And so it reminded me of me. So I stuck it on the fruit snack wrapper. Sunday, my husband went grocery shopping and came home with a lot of donuts, as you do. So a lot of donuts were consumed, as you do. I put in a little planning time sticker from one of my Michael's Shine Sticker Studio kits because I filmed a video where I set up my first week of like winter, December in my Hobonichi 2021 weeks, and put it in my like sugar Foxy Fix cover. And I had so much fun doing that. Playing with my planner just brings me so much joy. I just can't even, you guys. It really does. And I have no shame. If that's what it takes to make me happy right now, that's what I'm going to do. I put that art sticker in there from the Antiquarian sticker book because Bree from Documented Journey, I've mentioned her a few times now, but she and I are going to do a daily December type prompt list thing. She made it. She did all the legwork basically, and she's like, do you want to do this with me? And all I had to do was say yes. So I feel kind of bad. I'm like the kid in the group that doesn't help, but puts their name on the project. So she's awesome. And she was having an online like watercolor sketch class. And I think you can sign up for those through her like newsletter. I can link her stuff below, but it was a Zoom like watercolor sketch class. And we did this like leaf situation. And I learned that we are truly not the same level of artist. She just does like those real life images so amazingly beautifully, and my brain just does not work that way. But it was so fun because even though my brain doesn't work that way, it was relaxing because she walks you through it like step by step. So I felt relaxed and creative, like as she was telling me exactly what to do, like how to draw this line and make it look this way. I mean, you would think telling me those things, it would look better than it does. But that's just my artistic ability shining through. And let's see. Michael made like pizza pocket things, strombolis. What are they called? I don't know. And Addie and I played like 7 rounds of vicious chutes and ladders, and she beat me every single time. And I did not clean my house. That's why I dusted once and it all came back. I'm not falling for that again sticker in there. And then on the back of my little watercolor paper that I ripped out that I worked on, that little cat with the art supplies, somebody sent me that in Happy Mail, and I've been holding on to it forever, and this was the perfect time. And then that Do It With Art, I cut out that collage from a magazine. I just loved that phrase, those words. And then that little spinner looks just like the spinner on the Chutes and Ladders game, and I cut it out from a Real Simple. And so I put that in there too. I was just throwing it all at the wall there. It was a good day. It was pretty relaxing. And then Monday, oh Lord, so tired. That's why I put the little bunny sticker with the little duckling that's like holding her eyelids open. That's how I feel. Like sometimes you feel like the cartoon where you need to put toothpicks in your eyelids to hold them up. I had Zoom coffee with my mom and dad at 9 a.m. And we're just really getting in the swing of that. It's totally great. I can't tell you enough. If you have people that you can't see right now because of COVID, try Zoom. Try Zoom out for the little things that you would normally go over to their house for. And I mean, it takes a little bit of getting used to, but it's great. I mean, we are loving it. So I put in that Flurries sticker that was left over from a scrapbook kit of papers that I got a long time ago. And then that little dinosaur with the dollar bill, like roaring, was Collage from one of my son's scouting magazines. And it reminded me of Addie because she basically demanded, her school money for the first week because I told you I was bribing them. Like flat out, straight out bribery. I ain't even mad about it. So she wanted her money from that first week. And of course, she already had it spent before, I even gave it to her. So she had online shopped on Target and picked out a sweater and a sweatshirt that she wanted. So we had to go out, even though it was snowing, we had to go pick up our online Target order because my daughter is a shopaholic. That little Heeda girl sticker I thought was so cute. She's got like a little shopping bag and then the collage with the shark and the guy in the suit was perfect because my husband, it kind of all went to hell in a handbasket because there's some issues now because one of the ladies that works in his office was exposed to COVID, so now she has to go in quarantine, and then one of the other ladies was like, well, then we've all been exposed, but then they really hadn't because she hadn't. It was a long story, but anyways, staffing issues out the wazoo, so he was like, we can't do this by ourselves because basically that leaves him, the eye doctor, and one of his office ladies who's like 75, and she's amazing, but they can't do it themselves. So he was panicking. He was panic central. So that makes me panic because I don't like to see him stressed out. So I put a little COVID die cut with glasses on it. And then the shark, because I know that's what he felt like. He was being attacked by a shark named COVID. Don't we all feel like that? Yes, I feel like we do. So it was a day. And that brings us to today. More homeschool. And that moose I cut out of one of my son's scouting magazines. And I really loved the look on the moose's face. It says, this time of year, it's really easy to get that cooped up feeling. And the moose has a bunch of winter clothes hanging on his horns. And he's going to go out for a walk. So still more than I can get my kids to do, but we're working on it. It has been raining all day today and so wet, so they can't get out on the trampoline, which has been our saving grace. But I worked on my doodles, and meet Beulah the Bigfoot. She's the newest doodle added to the collection. She's up in my Redbubble sticker shop. I've also made Yolanda the Yeti. She is also there too. And then I have one version of Beulah with gold earrings and a gold bracelet. I call that Date Night Beulah. So if you have any interest, you can check out Redbubble, or you can become a Greedy Weasel, which is a membership to my channel for 99 cents a month. And you can get all these little fun doohickeys and doodads and doodles on our Facebook page for the Greedy Weasels. So I don't know if that's not enticing enough. I love that die cut that says, I picked a heck of a time to have not learned how to cook for the past, well, it said 29 years, but I had to change it to 37. So it's like kicking you while you're down. As you can see the Band-Aid on my ring finger, I was cutting up chicken this morning and almost cut my finger off. So we're just really cruising over here. And then I was just, writing that I was working on that stuff, and then the kids are on Thanksgiving break now, which is, thank God for small favors, right? I never thought that I would be happy that they were on a break from school, but turns out I love that when I'm the one responsible for making them do school. Oh, this year, you guys, this year, I tell you. So this is the little flip through. That was a fast and a furious talk, but I really appreciate you guys sticking with me, sticking through this time. and being the biggest supporters of my channel, because you guys are just amazing. You're so freaking cool, and I just feel so blessed. So I just can't say thank you enough to all of you who reach out to me, leave me comments, and take time to talk to me and tell me about yourselves. I love it. Could not love it more. Keep on keeping on. We got this. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.